Okay, now I'm going to teach you how do you learn about for each syntax and how you are going to useful and all. For each syntax
Okay.
in Java. So learning the for each syntax in Java will help you much more way. If you see any of the existing rules, you'll see that. Okay, and when you are doing a iteration, that time it's going to be useful. See, this is the syntax. What is that? For type is there, element is there, collection is there. So if you see previously the code, see type, element, collection, correct?
Yeah.
Type,
So
element.
identity, we are calling it as element here.
Yeah. Yes, very good. And this is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. So now I'm coming here, identity, element, collection. So
Suppose if instead of identities, if you wanted to,
yeah,
planning to get
correct. Application is
entitlement information or
yes,
application, so
yes,
this
yes.
type will get changed as per that
Correct. So
requirement.
if I wanted to get application, then I'm going to give applications
Okay.
and collection name. What are the collection? If it is that time application means application. And if I fetched all the applications applications, this way I'm going to use it. So first,
Okay.
let's get master on this for each how we are going to use it. Okay. Now I want to have this on array list. Array list is this collection having a string. So how you are going to do this? That's you are going to learn. So let's say this is your array list. I'm coming here and this is my, okay, I am on.
When we use array list concept,
Array list is
what?
when you wanted to keep a group of objects, then you are going to use array list.
Okay.
Okay. And so here I have a collection of strings. This is my
Okay.
collection of strings. And so if you see, this is my array list, which is having a collection of. Now I'm printing this thing.
So that is the
System.out.println.
syntax for array list. Array
Correct.
list then.
Yeah. So now I'm printing this thing. So I'll take the one array list class collections, then you can master. So now I'm running this code. Okay, see all the collections are there, all the names is coming. So now I wanted to print one by one. This is one name and that time as per the syntax. What do you learn here? Type. Type is syntax. This is my syntax. So now what I am doing? Okay, what I am doing? This is my syntax, correct? And so this is my syntax. So now what happened? And type is, what is the type? String. This is the string. And any element, I can give any names. So this is names, right? So I'm going to give name like this, colon. All names is kept here, correct? All names are
Yeah.
kept here. And so what I'm doing, I'm adding here. So this is the name and all. I want to print the name. So now what I'm going to keep the name.
All names will get stored in that name variable.
Yes. So
Okay.
first time this guy, what happened? No, first time it will keep all the names here. And each iteration, first name will be here. And it is going to check it is the out of the size or not, like that. Okay, first it will take first value alias. And after that it will come execution. It will reach out end and it will go up. And the second time it will take Bob. And Bob is the limit of this thing, it is going to verify. And
Mhm.
once it's come, it will print here, and it will come down here,
Okay.
and it will go up.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want to observe, I can show you that. And
Like
so
if instead of giving, return type for each and every identity, we will give it once as this for loop. Then it will take automatically every time it will run,
yeah,
like for
it is
each
going to,
object.
yeah, it is going to be written. Yeah. And now what I want you to observe it. So that's the reason what I did. I clicked on here debug mode. See, this is the debug mode. You're seeing my cursor,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I moved here. I want to have the collection. So that's the reason what I'm doing. I'm adding here. And I'm going to add watch. I want to add to watch. And now, so here what is, I wanted to add to observation list. So now what is this? I am stopping. Okay, I want to stop here. So now I am
Breakpoint
giving
we
a
need to give.
breakpoint. I'm adding here. Okay, and so after that, I wanted to have this.
Watch here itself we were getting no option.
Yeah. Here is watch.
Here itself we were getting, we were
Yeah,
not
yes.
navigating anywhere.
Yes.
It's not
So
showing.
now what I'm doing, I'm execute starting. Okay, and I wanted to debug it. So now I'm comparing this thing, and I started. And now what is this? And I'm giving in the debug mode, it's going to go on. So I clicked on here, and I collected as the names. I started on. So you can see the values. See, this guy is the name, what it contains, the name is there and all. So now it came here, and I wanted to go step over, see, step over, and so it has printed. So this is the collection name. It is there in the collection, and step over. See, one by one it is coming.
Yeah.
So now like this is there, and it has printed debug, and it has printed. So like this, it is going to iterate one by one value. Okay.
Okay.
And this way, you are going to finish the code. What happened? I just went inside of the code. That's the reason it is going inside of that method of what is happening and all, what is happening and all. So this is the way you are going to iterate the code. Okay. And I just printed how it is iterating and all. So this is about for each loop. And this is way we are going to work. It is going this way. It is going to be work on it. So what you do to get a command, you can go to the ChatGPT. Okay, and take more examples. Okay, this thing is that it is a list, and it is having a numbers. Okay, and you don't do copy directly. Okay, try to write copy paste. For me, I am doing copy paste. For you, don't do that. So write write the code with your hands.
Okay.
Okay, that's where you'll improve slowly. Keep a dual monitor, or else open the other laptop. Open the code over there and write it here initially. Once you come in the command and the command content, you can copy paste the things. I created a list and a list name, and this is my number. Now I'm executing here. So it is going to print like this.
Okay.
Okay. And if it is a collection of the string, and if this is a string, and if I wanted to have a string collection.
Then again.
please. So now what happened? As per the syntax, what I do, I'm going to do. It is a collection of string, so I'm going to keep string. And all the cities in here,
Cities.
and one by one value. When I export this thing, it is going to give all the cities. Okay. Like this, you do it. And what I do next class, I'll be talking about collections. Okay. Collections, how the collections there. But only one thing you need to do practice in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Sure.